We're gonna go in, we're gonna start his haircut off with a 2. I'm using the Magic Clip Cordless by Wall.
What kind of haircut are you doing?
So we're gonna go ahead and do a mid-fade. We're gonna do a half, midway, drop it a little bit, and then we're gonna do a 0 right above the ear, keep that 0 low, and kind of taper out the neckline. I'm gonna go in with the fade brush, help kind of pull all that hair off, and then we're gonna open the clipper guard up to a half. We're gonna go about midway, and then just kind of drop that as we go towards the back. I like to start with my largest guard, and then go in with the smallest guard that I'm gonna use, and kind of meet in the middle. I am gonna go in with a 0 right above the ears, but this is still like my lowest guard that I'm doing with the haircut.
So you're gonna fade down from the half down to a 0?
Yeah, we'll go back in with a 0 and just kind of touch up really around the perimeter. But my main fade is gonna be that 2 down to the half. And taking it up that way, I'm gonna go against it too. I'm just gonna follow it up with that 0, keeping that really low.
So now you have that lever all the way close?
Yeah, so we went ahead and closed it, and like I said, we're just gonna go really around the perimeter.
Can I see what it looks like close? Perfect. Now we're gonna go in with the 1 guard. And go in with 1/8 of an inch, 3 millimeter. I will take that about 1/3 of the way up. It's never too big of a deal. And then I'm gonna go in again, just bring it down about halfway of the half. And then if I see any pieces that look a little bit darker, try and blend those out a little bit better. This is my 1.5 blending guard. I think I said half guard blending. Yeah.
But 1.5 blending guard.
That's all right, we'll edit that other one out. Fix it up post. Yep.
I feel like it makes just such a difference. And so kind of see how much like smoother it made it than this. Because I mean, honestly, it looks pretty blended, but that 1.5 guard just really does the trick. Back in with the 1.5 guard, or the 1 guard open. Just blend this corner out just a little bit more. Now we're gonna go in with the half guard.
Got it.
Half blending guard. I'm gonna keep the lever closed on that. Then we're just gonna hit this line that's still kind of here.
I was reading that note and I'm like,
Still I'm seeing a little bit of a line here, so I'm gonna go in with the 1 closed. All right. Sides look good to me. They look good to you, Adam? All right, now I'm gonna go in with my trimmers. These are the Saber Style Crafters. And they're 0 gapped. Got the T-blade. And then we're just gonna go around the perimeter of everywhere, make sure no hairs are left behind the ears, all that fun stuff. All right. We'll move on to the top. Do some scissor work on the top of the hair. One with my scissors. 6-inch.
Paul Mitchell.
How do you know how much to cut?
So we're wanting to blend it back in where all this stuff isn't going to kind of stick out on him. So I'm kind of going with the perimeter of the head. And like you can see these little tiny pieces, like they're not falling in line. How can I explain this? Do it over here on this piece. So I'm going to pull the hair back. And right here I'm pulling kind of against hair, but it's like the cowlick area, so we want that shorter anyways. And I want the line just to kind of be straight. And then when we come back up here, we'll, because we just cut here, so we're going to continue it up. And then we've already got the top pretty much cut. We got that 1/2 inch off. We're just going to kind of blend it in. And everything should kind of fall to a straight line. That kind of makes sense. Go ahead and give it one last good look in the mirror. And then hand him the mirror, let him check it out. Tell me if I missed anything, if he sees anything. And the straight razor shave's okay today?
Straight razor's okay.
Spring forward.
Yeah,
We lose an hour, I think. Hold that
The
thought.
hot towel.
Say it again.
I know, the phone. I'm gonna go in with our last little step. Do the straight razor shave, get all these little hairs off the neck. Went in with a hot towel, a little bit of astringent, help cleanse skin. Just a little bit of shaving cream, shave lather. Go through and make sure no bumps of any kind. If I feel any, just kind of remove the shaving cream so I don't get them. Always check behind the ears at the end of a haircut. And cleaning all the hair off. So that's going to be the first thing that they find when they get home. They got a hair behind the ear still. All right, man. A couple of these for you.